Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean your DTF machine. So if you guys haven't seen the previous video on how to clean your DTF machine, click up right here. But if you have, let's get right into the second part. So let's say your printer's open. The first thing you guys want to do is turn it off. Now once it's turned off, you want to turn it back on. Now leave your finger right here and you want to press this green button and hold it down. When this is moving, you can open up your lid. Hold your hand on the button, wait for it to go in the middle, and press the button right here. Alright, you can press it right now. Alright guys, so now that you move this, the printer's off, so you can now work inside the print. So as you can see guys, right here, okay, there's a little thing I'm gonna be lifting up. I suggest you guys get like a weeding tool or something. So I'm just gonna lift this up slowly. Perfect. And I'm just gonna lift it up like this. Okay, so we're gonna be basically washing / cleaning up this. It's not a sponge, but it's like, yeah, it's kind of a sponge. It's like this part right here, which is picking up all of that dirty ink, and we also got some residue right here. So we're gonna be cleaning all of this. I don't have much to say in the commentary. I'm just gonna let this play out while you watch me clean it. What you're gonna be needing basically is a lint-free cloth. And also, you're going to be needing some Kleenexes and Q-tips. So I'll go get those materials and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we got our Q-tips, we got our microfiber cloth. So first thing I want to do, sorry for the angles, we're still filming alone. I just want to grab my Q-tips and just scrub on the side and try to remove all that junk. Yeah. As you can see, it's really thick. We're taking off all this gunk. Yeah, you see it's coming off like a rubber almost. You don't need to do this often guys, but it's probably almost never been done. So guys, right now what I'm doing is I'm just using slowly my weeding tool and just trying to remove any ink that might be, stuck. Really slowly. Like this. And I'm wiping it down on a Q-tips or on a Kleenex. Gonna go the other side. I'm gonna do on the top actually. This is what we're removing guys, all that junk. Look at this guys, all this junk. Alright guys, so once you're done, it's going to look something like this. You don't need to go too crazy with it. It's still a printer, but at least the gunk is taken off. So guys, once the majority is taken off, what you can do is take this little scrub back down. So just like this. I'm going to hit our click. There you go. Then you know it's back down. And now you can turn on the printer again. Let it do its thing. And then you can hold down this green button. And this guys was basically how to clean your DTF printer. I will repeat the main takeaways. Be very gentle with this tool. Use this, but make sure that the tip of your Q-tips are not like all fluffy, because it is going to leave some like hair molecules in the printer. And if you are to wipe something down, make sure you're using a microfiber cloth. So guys, if you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.